Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest ways to make money online. I'm your host, Choco, and today we have a special guest, someone who's been with us before and has a wealth of knowledge on online money-making strategies. Welcome back, Dave.
Thank you, Choco. It's great to be here again and share valuable insights with your viewers.
Fantastic. Now, I know everyone's looking for the best ways to make money online, and today, we have something truly exciting to discuss. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our valuable content. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, Dave, let's get straight into it. Today, we're talking about ACX.com. Now, Dave, I've heard that ACX.com is an incredible platform for those with a captivating voice. Can you tell us more about it?
Absolutely, Choco. ACX.com is the go-to platform for aspiring audiobook narrators. If you have a voice that deserves to be heard, ACX.com is perfect for you. You can either receive a fee for each finished product or earn royalties, ensuring a steady stream of income.
That sounds amazing, Dave. But how can our viewers get started on ACX.com? Can you walk us through the process?
Of course, Choco. To get started on ACX.com, follow these steps. 1. Visit ACX.com and create your account, providing your name, email address, and relevant voiceover experience. 2. Submit a voice sample to showcase your skills. 3. Audition for audiobooks that match your voice and interests. 4. If selected by an author, collaborate to produce the audiobook. 5. Once the audiobook is complete, submit it to ACX.com for review and publication.
That's a clear and concise guide, Dave. And viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel right now. We have more valuable information coming your way. Dave, everyone's wondering about the potential earnings on ACX.com. Can you shed some light on that?
Certainly, Choco. Earnings on ACX.com can vary, but beginners can earn around $10 to $100 per finished hour, PFH, while experienced narrators can make $100 to $350 PFH. Remember, PFH refers to the narrator's pay rate for a completed audiobook.
That's helpful information, Dave. And to give our viewers a better idea, let's take a look at a comparison of earnings on different platforms if you were a beginner earning $100 PFH. As you can see, ACX.com is a lucrative option. Now, let's talk about additional costs for narrators.
Absolutely, Choco. As a narrator, you'll need some equipment to get started, such as a home studio, studio-grade microphone, headphones, and recording, editing, and mastering software. These are essential for producing high-quality audiobooks.
Great, Dave. Now, let's explore another platform, Findaway Voices. Can you tell us about it?
Certainly, Choco. Findaway Voices connects authors with narrators, and they retain 20% of audiobook royalties, which is different from ACX.com. Narrators on Findaway Voices can choose between the pay-per-production and Voices Share programs.
And what's the process for earning on Findaway Voices?
To earn on Findaway Voices, narrators can set their rate in the pay-per-production program and wait for an author to agree. Alternatively, they can choose the Voices Share program, which combines pay-per-production and royalty split. It's a flexible way to earn.
Excellent, Dave. And speaking of earnings, it's crucial to promote your work. Whether it's ACX.com or Findaway Voices, promoting your audiobooks on social media and other platforms can make a significant difference. Dave, can you explain the royalty options on ACX.com?
Certainly, Choco. ACX.com offers three main royalty options: Pay for Production, Royalty Share, and Royalty Share Plus. Each has its advantages and is suitable for different situations.
Dave, we've talked about how narrators can make money on ACX.com, but what are some other benefits or advantages of using this platform that our viewers should know about?
That's a great question, Choco. Apart from the earnings potential, ACX.com also provides narrators with exposure. Audiobooks produced on ACX.com are distributed on platforms like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, giving narrators a wide audience reach. It's an excellent way to showcase your talent to a global audience.
Let's dive a bit deeper into Findaway Voices. What are the key differences between Findaway Voices and ACX.com that narrators should consider when choosing between them?
Certainly, Shoko. One key difference is that Findaway Voices retains a percentage of audiobook royalties, whereas ACX.com offers various royalty options. Additionally, Findaway Voices allows narrators to set their rates in the pay-per-production program, offering more control over their earnings. Narrators should consider their preferences and goals when choosing between these platforms.
Dave, how do narrators find audiobooks to work on through ACX.com? Are there specific genres or types of books that are more in demand?
Excellent question, Shoko. On ACX.com, narrators can browse available audiobooks and audition for those that match their voice and interests. In terms of demand, it varies, but popular genres like mystery, romance, and self-help tend to have a steady demand. However, it's essential for narrators to choose books that resonate with their style and voice to deliver the best results.
For narrators looking to succeed on ACX.com, what are some essential tips you can share with our viewers?
Success on ACX.com requires professionalism and dedication. Here are a few tips. 1. Create a high-quality voice sample showcasing your skills. 2. Carefully select audiobooks that align with your voice type and interests. 3. Be responsive and professional when communicating with authors. 4. Deliver high-quality recordings that meet ACX.com's standards. 5. Promote your work on social media and other platforms to build your brand.
Dave, you mentioned ACX.com's Royalty Share Plus program. Can you elaborate a bit more on how this program works and when it might be a better choice for narrators compared to the other options?
Of course, Shoko. The Royalty Share Plus program on ACX.com allows authors to pay a small fee to narrators to cover production costs, such as editing, proofing, and mastering. It's a beneficial option for authors who may not have the budget for pay-for-production. Narrators, in turn, receive 20% royalties, similar to the Royalty Share program. This flexibility can make it easier for narrators to collaborate with authors who prefer this model.
Dave, we've talked about the importance of a high-quality voice sample. Could you provide some insights into what makes a voice sample compelling and likely to attract potential audiobook opportunities?
Absolutely, Shoko. A compelling voice sample should showcase your versatility and ability to engage listeners. It's essential to include a variety of tones, emotions, and pacing to demonstrate your range. Additionally, choose excerpts from different genres to appeal to a broader audience. Make sure your recording quality is top-notch, as it reflects your professionalism.
Narrators often wonder how to choose the right audiobook to narrate. Can you share some tips on selecting audiobooks that align with their skills and interests?
Certainly, Shoko. When selecting audiobooks, narrators should consider their voice type, strengths, and personal interests. It's essential to choose books that resonate with you, as your enthusiasm will come through in your narration. Additionally, pay attention to the genre and tone of the book, ensuring they match your style. Look for audiobooks that you genuinely enjoy and can connect with.
Dave, audiobook narration can be challenging at times. What are some common challenges narrators may face, and how can they overcome them?
Narrators can face challenges like voice strain, long recording sessions, and maintaining consistency. To overcome these, it's crucial to take regular breaks to rest your voice and stay hydrated. Practice good vocal techniques and warm-ups to prevent strain. Additionally, break long sessions into manageable segments and maintain consistency in character voices and pacing. Audiobook narration is a skill that improves with practice, so keep refining your craft.
Networking is essential in any industry. How can narrators network within the audiobook industry to increase their opportunities and collaborations?
Networking is indeed crucial, Shoko. Narrators can network by attending industry events, such as audiobook narrators conferences or workshops. They can also join online communities, forums, or social media groups dedicated to audiobook narration. Building relationships with authors, publishers, and fellow narrators can lead to more opportunities and collaborations. Don't underestimate the power of a strong professional network.
Dave, thank you for sharing these insights and advice with our viewers. Before we wrap up, do you have any final words of encouragement for aspiring audiobook narrators?
Absolutely, Shoko. To all aspiring audiobook narrators out there, remember that your voice is unique and valuable. Keep honing your skills, stay dedicated, and embrace the journey of becoming a successful narrator. With persistence and passion, you can turn your talent into a rewarding career. Best of luck on your audiobook narration journey.
Thank you, Dave, for your wisdom and guidance. And to our viewers, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more opportunities like the ones we've discussed today. Until next time, keep pursuing your dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.